Good morning, guys. Today we will talk about how to prepare a beautiful palak paneer Indian dish which is very famous, very tasty and very delicious. I will run you through the process of preparing this lovely palak paneer in a very simple and easy method. No dramas at all. Very simple, very easy. Everybody can prepare this at home and you will enjoy this lovely beautiful palak paneer with your family and friends and have a great day. Okay guys, I will start my process and run you till we complete this palak paneer in under 30 minutes. Thank you and enjoy this video. Paneer is another tasty, delicious Indian dish. The paneer has to be fried in beautiful oil and then brought to a brownish color, and then the beautiful palak is added into this lovely dish which has got some right Indian spices and gives out some lovely aroma. Tastes really wonderful. And then you roast them until they turn golden brown into a nice golden kind of fried, beautiful and tasty. Okay, so this is the next phase of the palak paneer. So you prepare your mixture and mix it in a nice mixie. For that you need 2 big bunches of spinach, mint leaves, coriander leaves and curry leaves. You boil them together, okay, in water, and then mix them all together. And then goes the tampering of the beautiful garlic and cumin seeds with some lovely oil. There goes the lovely chopped onion all together, and then ready to pour into the tampered onion, cumin, garlic and your oil. And then add the whole mixture. You can increase the bunch of palak or English spinach leaves. Okay, you can increase to the quantity of the people you need to serve. So you rinse your mixie bowl and turn your flame with water and mix. Okay, so you can get all that spinach mix out, and then you increase your flame. Okay, time now to add your salt. Okay, make sure you put just enough salt. You can put salt before in your palak when you make the mixture, but you have to be careful. And then you add your thickened cream. Okay, add lovely thickened cream, right, and give it a good mix. Okay, just keep tasting in between, and if you feel you need more thickened cream you can put, but make sure you can't lose the color. You have to keep the color as green as possible so that it will be a palak paneer dish with a green color. Let it boil, and the thickened cream is around say 150 ml. Okay, so if you need some heat, okay, some more spice, you can add the beautiful chilies. Okay, and you can put it to the mixture of your palak when you run the mixie to mix all the palak, the English spinach leaves, the curry leaves, the coriander, the mint leaves. When you mix, you put your chilies. Okay, and then you can increase your spice. You want more spice? Simple, more chilies. So now one tip. You got your salt, you got your spice, and now you need some tanginess. You put lime. Okay, just enough. And then go back to tasting. Keep tasting all the time so that the dish will come up with exactly the flavor you all can enjoy. So once you bring this palak or the English spinach mixture to a good boil with the right taste, it's time for you to drop the fried paneer. Okay, let's drop it. There you go. Voila. This paneer is available in Costco. Okay, go to Costco, you get paneer there. All right, so that's the place you'll find paneer, or you need to go to any Indian shops around, you will find paneer. There you go. Give it a good stir and cook it on low medium flame for say around 5 minutes. will be perfect. Okay, and then we can enjoy this lovely palak paneer with some lovely biryani or some tasty beautiful jasmine rice, basmati rice, or even a lovely bread, parota, chapati. All right, it's time for me to taste it. Voila, let's see how it's going to taste. Oh, okay, thank you. Perfect and tangy, perfect salt, and it is tasty. Right, time to now jump in, dig in, and eat this beautiful palak paneer. So after 5 minutes on low medium flame, the palak paneer is ready. The delicious palak paneer. Give it a nice stir. Okay, and you see, voila, the tasty, beautiful palak paneer is ready and will be served with some hot rice. Enjoy this video, guys, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with some famous videos, and which will keep you all entertained, energized, and occupied all the time. Okay, thank you, and let me perform for you guys. As many as subscribers, that many videos can be put out. Thank you, and God bless you guys.